Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Make sure the kernel and modules permit user mode transitions and that you have root access. Once done, back up the current configuration and note the active run level or systemd target because you may need to revert. Next, prepare a recovery path, a live USB, serial console, or alternate shell so you can recover if something fails. This step prevents lockouts and speeds troubleshooting, so take these actions now before executing the transition. You now perform the core transition. Switch to a safe target such as single user or rescue and stop non-essential services. Then, edit the initramps, kernel command line, or PAM and SC Linux policies that enforce mode restrictions. Make incremental edits and explain why each change is required. Once edits are staged, rebuild initramps or reload configurations, and use systemtl isolate or CRUT into the target to test. Make sure to validate service behavior and logs before proceeding to full user mode. You finish by moving the system into full user mode. Either reboot into the modified target or use systemtl to start the multi-user target. Then confirm user sessions, file permissions, and service health, and review logs for warnings and errors. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Boot the recovery medium or use your alternate shell, revert the specific edits you made, and inspect dmesc and journoctl to find the root cause. One key tip: check for SE Linux denials because they commonly block user mode transitions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.